Hello friends, today in this video I will tell you how to use OCR printer function with the help of software and the scanner. Stay with me, my name is Gaurav and you're watching Honest Mark. The full form of OCR is optical character recognition. The purpose of OCR is convert image to text. I have to scan 3 documents. First document is printed by the printer and the character is typed with the help of computer. Now it is a computer printed. Now I have a second which is my ID. I will also scan in OCR. Now third one is a picture which is drawn by hand. Now let's go to the printer. This is our printer, and remember one thing, the OCR function should be in your printer. Most of the printer does not support OCR. So let's start one by one. I will scan all this document. Let's start how to do it. First let's start this printer and press this button scan. Now after that scan to PC it is showing. Now press OK. After that it's showing file. Then you have to use arrow down and then you can see OCR has come. It's mean the function of OCR has enabled. Now let me put the paper in this scanner. After that you have to press green button which is called start button. You can see on screen monitor it's scanning. After scanning, printer is asking for the next page. So I don't have another page, so I will press arrow down for cancel. Now you can see on screen the document has scanned image to text. The similar text has appeared on your monitor. This is all done with the help of OCR function. This is the first method which is done by scanner. Let's scan the second document which is my card. In the second method, I will use a computer software which is called a Control Center for Brother Computers. I have a printer of Brother Company. Here you can see DCP B7535DW printer. Here you can see the second option, that is a OCR. Now here it is a pop-up where let me explain you first of all. This is the language of OCR. It consists 29 language, which kind of a document you have. This is the type, which kind of a document you want to scan. I want to scan a text. The target application you want to convert into which format. This is a Notepad, MS Word, MS Excel or Adobe Photoshop. And the next is, the third is the file name. You can change the file name according what you want. Here it is also one more thing, that is a file name style, which kind of file name you want to apply. Now if I click on this, you can see the name, date, counter. You can describe in your file name. In the bottom you can change the date, format, the year, month, date and many more. Now let me cancel first of all. The next is destination folder, where you want to save a particular document in which folder. Next is a resolution, which kind of resolution you want, like 100 to 600 dpi. Next is the scan type. It is a auto and black and white, gray color, true gray or 24-bit true color. You can change simultaneously brightness and contrast of your document. Next is document size. You can select which kind of a document of your size, so you can select from this option. Generally we use A4 size. If you want to scan continue, you have to select this option to continue scanning. Next is the ID card scan. If I click on it, this is showing. It is showing how to put ID card on scanner. Document size 2-in-1 business card. After the first scan, turn the card for the next scan. Now let's scan this document. Here is the button, you have to press it. Printer scanner is working, it's scanning. Now you can see on printer display it's showing scanner. After complete, you have to flip, but there is nothing in the back side. So let me scan again. You have to press continue to scan. Now scanning has completed. Now click on finish button. It's processing and converting that document into a digital. Now here you can see my each and every details of my card has converted into a text. Now let's scan the second document, which is a picture format. Now I want to convert into a entire text format. Now let me scan in the same manner. After completing, as you can see, nothing has come. It means that scanning has failed. This is done with the help of software. Now let's back to the printer. Now let me scan this same document with the help of scanner. स्कैन हो रहा है डॉक्यूमेंट. After the scanning, you can see I did not get any information what I have scanned through the printer. So now it's mean that OCR function only works whenever the printer printed in a digital format. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like this information? If you like, you must share with your friends.